Okay, what about this? What is your main goal for the season? So at the end of the season, say we're on the chairlift again and it's now like April.
Yeah.
You want to say, hey, I would like to have done what?
I want to spend 1 month without crying.
Oh my god!
Okay.
That's not saying it out.
I mean, that's cool. What we've done about 3 hours so far, so that's pretty good. I would suggest maybe not taking Dane's criticism personally would help with the crying aspect, maybe. And what about yourself?
I'd like to get my level 2. So like, if I want to watch this back and be like, oh shit, yeah, I did actually get my level 2.
Cool, level 2.
Awesome. So yeah, because I did a bit of instructing at home, but on dry slope.
Same here.
And like, I really miss teaching adults because it's quite nice to like get a bit more technical with them. Whereas kids, like, it's great fun. Don't get me wrong, but like trying to make them learn when they don't realise they're learning is like a lot of creativity involved in that. And sometimes I'd like to just be able to be like, okay, now do this and that and the other, and then adults go, oh yeah, like it makes sense. So,
Yeah, sweet.
yeah.
Okay, well we'll do another one. Like, I'm sure we'll have days off like towards March and April,
Yeah.
and then we'll review,
Yeah.
and then hopefully you'll be sitting here
See?
like, I done my level 2. Woo!
And you're gonna be like, I spent the whole month not crying.
Goal for the season is to see me.
State your name and what goals you have
Okay,
that you want to complete by the 6th of April.
cool. Okay, my name's Harry, and by the 6th of April, I would like to have comfortably skied the cliff chair, improved my tree skiing, and I want to be able to land a 360 off a jump, and preferably a 180 back off a box.
Not much then, Jesus.
Not much.
No, that's okay. No, it's good
And
to
teach
have,
better. Teach better.
No, it's good to have loads of goals.
I
'Cause
have
then
loads of goals.
if you complete all that, then you're gonna be like super stoked. And even if you
you're
only get
gonna
like
be-
2 or 3 of those, you'll be like, oh, okay, well I did this.
And level 2 and teach better.
She's
Just
gonna
be better.
She's gonna be a
You
pro.
go.
I've
No, we've
already
really
done
done
mine.
this.
Oh.
Mine
Yeah.
was a
Fair.
level 2, but if I can add one more, I would love to see a marmot.
Oh,
But I don't
Marmot.
think I'm going to
Yeah.
see one by the season, so
Marmot and
a moose.
Oh, I have so
Moose.
many non-ski goals
Oh,
as well.
go for it. What we got?
I want to get better at pool in Sam's.
Oh, I can teach you that.
Thank you. I want to see so much more nature. And I just want to be a more confident person. And what was the other thing?
Ice skating.
Ice skating.
Well, you didn't strike me as someone that's unconfident.
Oh, don't worry, inside out.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah, but everyone's like that. Everyone's dying inside.
There was one more thing that I figured out, but I can't remember what it is now. Oh, get better at Mario Kart so I can fucking beat James.
Oh, I can help you with the pool and the Mario Kart.
Perfect.
Here with Seb. Seb,
Hello.
what's your goals for the season?
Oh, got so many.
Go for it. Roll them off.
Well, we've got some easy ones. I want to ski every run in the resort by
Sweet.
end of season.
Yeah.
So I've got a little piece map and I've been ticking them off.
Nice.
I want to ski every chairlift in one day, or every lift in one day,
Yeah, sweet. Yeah.
on a day off. I want to really work on my tree skiing and my tree teaching as well. So I've done lots of like bumps teaching, I've done lots of powder teaching, but never kind of put that together into tree skiing. So get my level up a little bit and like work out a nice progression for teaching
Yeah,
it.
that'd be cool.
That's the plan. What else have I got? I want to do some more adaptive lessons.
Yeah.
So I've had 2 adaptive clients so far, which has been awesome.
You could sign up. You
But
could
do a few
sign
more.
up to Powder Hounds.
Yeah.
And you could do the training. I think it's about $60 to do
Oh,
the
yeah.
level 1 adaptive.
I've got my level 1 adaptive.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, in through Basie.
Yeah.
So yeah, but I want to do a bit more of that.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah, go the Brits.
Go the Brits.
Basie. That's probably about it, really. Have some fun. I just want to like teach and have fun and ski more.
Okay, well I'm
Enjoy
gonna save
myself.
this and send it to you, and then we'll do another one in like April,
Yeah.
and you'll be like, oh cool, I taught in the trees, I did this and did
Yeah.
that, and then hopefully
And I had fun.
I had fun. Sweet.
Thanks.